Hello, NCLEX family. Welcome to my channel. Hello to my tribe at large. Hello to my NCLEX community. Hello everyone who's visiting my channel for the first time. If you are new to my channel, hit the follow, like, or subscribe button. Welcome to the first episode of my Do-It-Yourself NCLEX series. All the topics I discuss in this channel are based on my work experience as an NCLEX processing specialist in the past. Now I mention this because through this job, I was able to work closely with the test takers who passed the NCLEX exam. And the good news is that my relationships with these NCLEX passers continue to this day since I became good friends with them. And let me tell you, the things I have learned from these friendships are phenomenal, as I was able to compile the method by which they were able to pass the NCLEX test. And before I forget, if you want a more intensive discussion, you can always go to a website called applyready.com and click NCLEX Prep if you are interested in passing the NCLEX yourself. And this website, they carry all of my work. Check it out. The website is called applyready.com and click the NCLEX Prep. They carry all of my stuff, all of my work, and there you will find all the topics I discuss on this channel. That's applyready.com. So let's dive in. The topic I want to discuss today is why do some people pass the NCLEX exam but others fail? And no, it's not because they're dumb. This is the first part of my Do-It-Yourself NCLEX series. In all my years working with NCLEX test takers, one of the most common issues I have always dealt with is how to answer NCLEX questions correctly. So I made it my mission to help everyone understand why and how they may be answering the NCLEX questions the wrong way. So the question so many of you asked is this: why do some people pass the NCLEX exam but others fail? Folks, here's why. Number one, we use two thinking brains to answer test questions. Yes, you heard that right, family. Studies after studies have shown that we use two thinking brains to answer questions. That is a scientific fact. Now, if you want to pass the NCLEX exam, you must understand the concept of the two thinking brains as they relate to how you answer the NCLEX test questions. You must understand that each thinking brain can be used appropriately to answer a particular type of NCLEX question. If you understand this concept, I am confident that you will be able to answer the majority of the NCLEX questions correctly. Folks, there is an appropriate thinking brain that you must use to sit on the NCLEX test. This is what my successful NCLEX passers have been telling me since day one. Every one of us has a default mode of thinking, and unfortunately, it is not the thinking brain that is appropriate for NCLEX. Folks, you must learn which of the two thinking brains you must use to answer NCLEX questions correctly. The NCLEX passers I have worked with in the past have used the thinking brain that is appropriate for answering NCLEX test questions. And guess what? They passed the NCLEX exam. Let's get to number two. Number two, some people go through NCLEX analysis paralysis. A lot of research studies have been done on this topic. A lot of NCLEX test takers have experienced NCLEX analysis paralysis, and they will tell you this phenomenon is real. The good news is that I have done the research for you, and I will cover this topic in the upcoming videos of my NCLEX Do-It-Yourself series. So stay tuned and hit the follow, like, and subscribe button. In the next video, I will discuss the 2 thinking brains part 2 of this NCLEX series. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. You will receive a notification when part 2 comes out. Make sure you become part of my NCLEX family and hit the like, follow, and subscribe button. And if you want a more intensive discussion, you can always go to a website called applyready.com and click NCLEX Prep. This website carries all of my stuff, all of my work. And if you are interested in passing the NCLEX yourself, check it out. The website's called applyready.com and click the NCLEX Prep. There you will find all the topics I discuss in this channel. Stay tuned for part 2 of my Do-It-Yourself NCLEX series. Thank you so much, family. Don't forget to hit the follow, like, and subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on part 2 of this NCLEX series. I'll see you guys.